Welcome back to our channel, Bertie Bus. Go on, Zoe.
No, don't get me on camera with these.
You're not on camera. I'm not filming your eyebrows.
Oh, good. The one and only YouTube channel. Stop laughing at me.
The what, darling? Say it again, I couldn't hear you.
The one and only YouTube channel.
I didn't know whether it were eyebrows or you putting me off or what. She's dyed her eyebrows. She looks like bloody Coco the Clown again. Don't you, darling?
Yeah, don't put camera.
But apparently, Zoe's in awe. Now, I thought she was in awe of me, which I can understand. But apparently it's not. She was in awe of the Morello that is in this vlog, guys. You know, I know my place. I know where I fit into things. Me or a Morello. It's a Morello every time for Zoe, unfortunately for me. Isn't it, Zoe?
It looked quite nice, wasn't it?
I didn't see it, love. So this vlog, she's filmed a Morello, and there is no information in it whatsoever because it's true Zoe style. Isn't it, love?
Well,
She just likes the shiny things that's in it.
people are not bothered about the technical stuff. They just want to know what it looks like.
Just a minute. Do you want me to film you, Zoe?
No.
Well, you're talking a lot. I've got me solar panels out. I've had a bit of sun today. Whoa, for summer. Yay. I think summer's been over and done with today, love. The one day of summer. So I've got my solar panels out and I've been charging my power bank up. So, go in, Zoe. So, I've got my lead from my skylight. Got my solar panels on my skylight up there. And then I've connected my solar panel to it and I've been charging it up all day. So, free power. Right there, Zoe.
Yeah.
You going again? So I hope you enjoy today's vlog. It's only a short one, just of this motorhome. Oh, she's here again. Which I'll see if I can catch her just a minute.
No.
Oh no, she's off again. You're not going camera shy, have you, Zoe?
Yeah.
So enjoy the vlog, guys, and we'll catch you at the end.
Please like and subscribe.
Oh, here we go.
Bye.
We're not going. It's beginning at video, not end. Do you know, you've got some training to do, you girl, I'm telling you. Catch you at the end.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. The gas in the back of the set, heaven lives, she's so bad that the can't beat the brag. The gas in the back of the set, heaven lives, she's so bad that the can't beat the brag. The gas in the back of the set, heaven lives, she's so bad that the can't beat the brag. The gas in the back of the set, heaven lives, she's so bad that the can't beat the brag. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse.
Still parked in alpamare car park. And look what's parked next to us. Can you believe we've got a Morello parked at the side of us? Absolutely in awe of it. Look, I'll show you where we're parked. This kind young gent is letting me film inside of it. I've got to show you inside this. Resisted to ask him, then he said he'd let me film it, so I'll look at Mark. It's an Iveco. Look at the dashboard. Beautiful, stunning leather seats. How beautiful is this? This guy is really lucky to have a van like this. It's only 2-year-old as well. Now let me show you kitchen. He's got his priorities right. He's got a nice coffee machine. Beautiful kitchen cupboards. Oven. Fridge, freezer. Right, let me take you into the bedroom. What a beautiful bedroom. Just look at the windows and the curtains. And you've got all this space. Look at all that. Space downside of the beds. Beautiful shower there. Look at this for a toilet. I should imagine that's a wardrobe in there. I'm not going to open any cupboards. I'll show you it from this angle. Look at all this space. It's nice to see him playing again, isn't it, John? Aww. Look at Bud, he just drags him. That's the friends again. Look at them.
Look at that for a view. Come down this path outside Alpamare and brings you down here. And then there's Scarborough Castle there, look. Oh, I just love this view. Never get tired of this. The Andalusia is in Scarborough now, look. Scarborough Front, how good is that, Zoe? We've been round that, well I have.
You have, yeah. Everyone's busy on that.
Right, cute to get on it, isn't they now?
Yeah. Look at people here.
Wow. Beautiful ship though, isn't it? Look at that. Oh, she's here, look.
Thanks for watching. You enjoyed it? Oh, please don't look at me. John, can you imagine what I look like on a bloody 15-inch TV?
Oh God, stuff of nightmares, love. I'll tell you what I can do if I just put it down like that. Oh, I can't see your eyebrows now.
It's because it needs washing up.
Can see your shorts, so and we'll be back up.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, everybody. She's gone.